Hello students, today again I am present before you with the reading cards. और इसके पहले हमने लेसन नंबर 6 तक की पढ़ाई कर ली है एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू रीड लेसन नंबर 7 किटी एंड द माउस. Lesson number 7 Kitty and the Mouse. As you can see on the cover, there is a cat Kitty and a mouse is there and they are playing. And I think that cat, this mouse is harassing, इसको परेशान कर रहा this kitty, and this kitty has a yarn, a wool yarn, ऊन का गोला है उसके पास और वो शायद उससे कुछ काम करती होगी. तो चलिए स्टोरी को जानने के लिए हम इसको रीड कर लेते हैं. लेट अस रीड द स्टोरी व्हाट इज गिवन. सी पहले आप यहाँ पे सीनरी देख लीजिए. क्या है? किटी है बट Kitty is having such a beautiful house. She has a yarn, wool yarn, then a lamp is there, a portrait hai, sofa hai, table hai, everything is there at her home. And this kitty is calling mouse to come inside. But this mouse is afraid. ये तो डरा हुआ है. This mouse does not want to come, I think. Let us read and know what is it. Kitty is a little cat. She lives in a house. A mouse also lives in the house. Kitty wants to play with the mouse. The mouse is afraid of Kitty. Kitty plays with a ball. The mouse comes out and looks at Kitty. See, the mouse came out and looks at Kitty. Kitty kisses the mouse. Mouse plays with Kitty. Kitty and Mouse are friends now. Wow, Kitty and Mouse finally became a friend. Now let us see the questions given to us. A. Can you read it now? Can you read it? Yes, we can read it. Let us try. Read the sentences given below. Choose the correct word from the bracket. Write the words along with the number of the sentence in your notebook. Number 1. Kitty lives in the hole or house. Kitty lives in the house. Number 2. She wants to play with the mouse. Number 3. Kitty plays with a ball. Kitty plays with a ball, not bag. Number 4. The mouse bites, looks at Kitty. What does he do? The mouse looks at Kitty. Number 5. Mouse plays or sits with Kitty. Mouse plays with Kitty, not sits. Plays with Kitty. Plays is the correct word. Number B. Read the following sentence and note the underlined word. Kitty plays with a ball. Now read the following words. These words are given to us. Let us read it. Tall, fall, wall, hall, doll. The following sentences are incomplete. These sentences are incomplete and we have to choose these words to complete the sentence. But it should be correct. It should be meaningful. Now let's start doing it. Jack and Jill play with a. क्या होना चाहिए इसमें से? Doll. D-O-L-L doll. This is a dash tree. This is a tall tree. Tall tree. These sentences are not there in the comprehension. These sentences are given to you. Complete it to increase your thinking capacity, your creativity. How will you choose the correct word to do it? To see that, to examine that, to evaluate that, these sentences are given. A pup is on the number 8. A pup is on the wall. W-A-L-L wall. 9. All the children are in a hall. H-A-L-L hall. Number 10. Look, the apples fall down from the tree. fall. Fall, fall. Look, the apples fall down from the tree. You'll have to see carefully कि कौन सा वाला word इसमें correct बैठता है. Then you have to choose the option given to us. Now let us move to last one. See, have you understood the words? Those words, have you understood or not, which were there in your comprehension? If you have not understood, with this picture you'll definitely understand. Let us match. What is it? It's a mouse. How is his reaction? He is actually afraid. Afraid. What are they? They are friends. This is a ball. And a mother is giving a kiss to his son. Kiss. Kiss. With this question, we have completed our lesson number 7, that is Kitty and the mouse. I hope you have understood. If there is any word which you are not able to understand, and if you want to ask me, then write your comment in the comment section. And have a nice day and stay connected with me.